I see here? A lot of production. You know, there's all the different machines that, the 900s. I'm looking for our 1400 ton shear. I'll find it. Yeah,
No, it's two.
Yeah, so it's two businesses now. We have the business of new machines and the business of servicing the machines.
Yes,
It's a
sure.
big business.
Yeah, but it's a business and it's a service. Mainly, it's a service.
Right. I mean, you have to make the investment for us so we can have this investment
For the
because,
customer.
you know, in California, we have more than $25 million of
I saw
parts.
that. No, I know.
Yeah, I know you know because you supplied it all.
There are many machines.
And then after more machines, we need more spare parts.
Sure.
It's another business. Loading the first ever 1,400 ton flipper door shear for Bakersfield for our facility. Very excited. This is a monster of a machine, and this is a monster of a trailer that they actually build on site for the weight disbursement of everything. So I'm really excited. This machine will be at our facility before the REMA convention, and I think we'll get a lot of interest, but we need it for our facility to be more efficient. It's going to be crazy. Well, the next generation, you know, every business, if it's going to continue, has to have a next generation. From the Tabarelli family tree. All right, introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Pierluigi Tabarelli. I'm the oldest. Oh, Angelo.
I'm Giulia, I'm Roberto's daughter.
I'm Luca. I'm Alberto brother and Pierluigi brother and Angelo's son.
I'm Alberto. I'm the second one. So I'm the special one also. Angelo's, I guess.
I'm Alessandro. My mother is a sister of Angelo Tabarelli. Maria Pia.
Maria Pia, okay. They have a lot of cousins and, you know, in the business. They're a bigger family than the Sacco family, if you will. You see the next generation, they're preparing for the next generation because there's been a wonderful road laid out in front of them how to succeed. They're very smart. You have engineers in there, and a lot of brain power working for the common good.
40 years, your side, our side, sales, revenues, people. It'd have to be $1 billion. Easy, huh? After 40 years. No, both came from very small towns. Montemurro, Mozzecane.
Well, when you look at the two people, when you look at Olivo Tabarelli and my father, you realize they both came from nothing. My father starts his business and then Olivo starts working with his father, but Olivo's brother was like the mastermind of engineering. You know, all those years later, these two people meet. They both had seen a form of success, but their ability to become friends and created greater success for both families, the Tabarelli family and the Sacco family. Much greater success came from their meeting. To me, it's his humility. It's being so humble. He doesn't want any spotlight on him, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Just that I was a good guy. That's it.
Yeah, well, he also said that the industry will notice when he'll be gone because of that, because he was, you know, a shy person, not very sociable, so he thinks that the industry will soon forget about him. Perhaps the industry won't even notice.
No, because it's this sitting here, this story, that's going to get told.
Grazie.